We are all set up here with the GWT-402 wire termination machine. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on and start running. We flip the on switch, which is located right below the power cord. Our air is already on. Our foot pedal's hooked up. The machine will come up. We can tap the screen, select our language. In this case, we'll select English, and then we can select a bowl. We're going to fill the bowls with terminals. So we'll select a bowl. It will start vibrating, and then I will take the pins and put them in the top. I'm just going to put a few in there so you can see them. And then our sockets go in the bottom, which I have some sockets already placed in there. The machine will vibrate continuously until one slide gets filled up with terminals. Once one slide is filled, the air will blow the rest of the terminals off of that particular bowl until the other slide's full, and then the bowl will shut off as it did there. Now that our slides are full of terminals, we're ready to go ahead and start running. So right now we have the lower bowl selected, and then we need to press the run button to send a terminal to the head. And you can hear that blast of air followed by the machine catching the terminal. I'm going to insert the wire, step on my foot pedal, and I've crimped on the socket. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the upper bowl. I'm going to get one more socket because there's still a socket in the head. Now I have a pin. If I want to crimp 3 pins and 3 sockets, I would crimp 2 pins, then select socket, and that will make sure that I don't get another pin, a 4th pin, because the machine is always catching one and ready to go. It's always ready to go with the next terminal. So if I have multiple operators here and I want to crimp my last, right now it would be a socket. If I want to crimp my last socket, I'll deselect that particular bowl, insert the wire, step on the foot pedal, and then nothing will be sent. When the next operator comes up, they can then select the terminal they want. In this case, we'll select the pin, and they can crimp all the terminals they want, and then when they're done on their last one, they deselect the bowl and crimp their pin. And that just keeps you from having to waste a terminal every time you don't want that particular terminal that's in the machine. Otherwise, you'd have to step on the foot pedal, the terminal then get rejected into the tank. And it's just, it's easier and a little bit more friendly if you just deselect the terminal on your last crimp.